Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we'll show you how to prep a subfloor for new flooring. Once you've removed the old flooring, whether it was carpet, tile, or vinyl flooring, you're probably going to be left with quite a mess, and you're going to be down on your hands and knees, so a good pair of knee pads will save you a lot of aches and pains. It's a good idea to work in sections by first sweeping or vacuuming any loose dust or debris. Now on this floor, our Ace handyman removed the carpet, so there are a lot of staples still in the floor. You can use a dustpan or a paint scraper to help you locate the staples. And when you find them, use a pair of pliers to pull them out. Some may need to be popped up with a pry bar or a flathead screwdriver, and you'll probably miss a few. Don't worry, you'll find them when it comes time to lay your new flooring. Now, if you come across a nail sticking up in the subfloor, just pound it back into place using a hammer. Try to remove any adhesive with a scraper that may be on the floor. You see, the goal is to get the floor as clean and as flat as possible. Continue working section by section until the floor is clean and free of staples. Contact your local municipality to find out how to dispose of the old flooring and waste correctly. Once finished, the floor is ready for your new floor covering. Now, if you prefer to have a professional do this dirty job, just contact your local Ace Handyman services. Coming up next, I'll show you how to install vinyl plank flooring.